Have you considered dying?
Have a nice, cold, refreshing glass of not alive.
Have you ever wanted to commit meth? I almost said meth.
Meth.
How many?
Meth.
I want 7 in my ass.
Actually, in your ass is a good place to put it.
Okay. Thanks for the tip. I will remember that
Oh, you
for
want
when
the
I
tip?
put the next meth in my ass. Put meth in my ass. Every time I talk like this, I'm just like, I could have been so many things in life, you know what I mean? I could have been a doctor.
I understand.
Could have graduated.
Every time I die, I'm just gonna look around the room. With the lights on.
I'm just gonna look right back, but you won't know. Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane.
More like Hurricane
Tortilla.
Tortilla. We are a full called.
It just takes one and dies. Big Champa.
Gluck, 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 gluck.
Gluck, 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 gluck.
Gorge.
Gorge.
Wow, they're getting shit on in all over.
No one's else shooting at him. He was so low.
I would suck at him.
Oh.
Listen, I'd suck Doom.
Yeah, I want my turn.
I would suck Doom, dude. Of course.
Yeah, you better suck your friends before you suck the doom.
I'll suck all my friends, it's fine.
I'll suck all my friends, it's fine.
Listen.
No.
Oh, the my dog.
Black Fist is behind us.
He's coming in that rear, dude.
He coming.
I respect a furry, but I'm not a furry. That shit
Fair.
is not my shit.
You know how I know you're not? Because you don't play TF2.
Listen,
Doesn't it mean that you're a furry?
the silence is deafening. Oh. Oh. I'm healing a corpse.
Are you proud of me, Mom?
Yeah. Yep.
Thanks, Mom.
Take that. Proud of you, idiot.
Lick, lick, lick. Blem.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Took the words right out of my mouth. Listen, I'm gonna be cracked. I'm gonna kill them all. Oh. This Widow's on drugs, bro. Like the good kind. She did some Adderall right before this game. I swear to fucking God, bro. You know, it'd be like super quirky and cute. I just DC'd right the fuck now. I'm sorry, I know we just got in this game, but I literally need a mental fucking break after that one. Like, I have 480 damage, I died 9 times.
Understandable.
Don't act like you carried me, I carried that whole game. I was so good, you're speechless right now.
Wow.
Like, literally had the intelligence of a puppy in that game. Like a dog smashing on keys. Honestly, not to brag, but I can die 8 times and get less than 500 damage.
Oh, that's hot.
Honestly, I'll say it again, 500
That's
damage. I didn't even scratch the surfaces, 480 if I'm being honest.
Damn.
I know.
Damn.
I know. I don't know how to play Gorilla. Hit. Hit. Oh,
Gorilla.
shit, fuck. Oh, I don't understand. What the fuck?
Super fast.
Super 9.
You're hurting me. You bitch! You dirty bitch! The fucking... that...
Yeah, I killed you at the very end.
Oh my god. I've never played him! I don't have any aim right now. I've been doing... That's my excuse. I threw myself off
okay.
the edge.
How do I
Hold on.
stop?
Wait. I'm taking a drink. Wait, no, don't do it. Don't do it.